Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special and beautiful guitar made in Europe by František Furch from the Czech Republic in the 90s. And it was sold under the trademark Stanford, which I believe is a German trademark, especially created for Furch guitars to sell them internationally. What František Furch in the Czech Republic does, he's very much inspired by Martin in his early days, and he creates some replica, if you want, and this could be this is called D5 Pro, but it's basically a D18, a rosewood spruce combi dreadnought with ebony fretboard and bridge, and beautiful Stanford abalone, colored abalone inlay, gold hardware, and bone nut and saddle, I believe. This was built in the 90s, and it sounds absolutely beautiful. It's feather light, and I don't know what species exactly of spruce he used. He used German spruce, alpine spruce, and Sitka spruce. This looks a bit like Sitka spruce, but who knows, after maybe 30 years. It sounds phenomenal. I put the Adagio Phosphoron's Lights XS strings on it, and I play with the Blue Chip TD35, and it sounds like this. Sings. It's very dynamic. Sustain is incredible. Sounds very warm and woody. It is great all-rounder. Quick response even with a light touch. I mean, this is neck is mahogany. It's a seat shape type of neck. I mean, this the herringbone purfling and the East Indian rosewood binding are so classy. They give it a little bit more of a European touch, since most American builders use grained ivory or some plastic. This is pure wood, ebony bridge pins, scallop bracing. I think it holds pretty well up to a D28. With an own spin of sound to it. The highs and trebles are beautiful. There you have it. The Stanford D5 Pro from the 90s. Hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye bye.